हरिओम श्री राम अंबज्ञ नाथ सौगत नाथ सौगत नाथ सौगत. So, the temperature, the atmospheric temperature is increasing, troubling us. Global warming, deforestation, all these terms we are used to now. For the last 25 to 30 years, everybody talks, nobody does anything. It's a jungle of cement and concrete, that's all. Nobody wants to do anything for it. But this is the cycle. Ultimately, scientists are telling that if this global warming goes on like this, either everything will burn, less likely, or more likely there will be an ice age again. An ice age, everything comes to standstill. Only few human beings are saved, they get saved. They could survive the ice age, but the whole science has already collapsed. So they go back to the Stone Age era again, sort of. Only with the memories of 5 to 8 generations. Usually ice age is for 1,000 years. So it can be 8 to 12 generations nearly, or maybe little more. But what are we doing for it? We are not doing anything. Right? We want only government to do everything. And it is true also. How are we going to do? But remember, when we had started something, One Durga Yojana. How many of you remember that? You eat sita, yes, it's very good number. Love you. You eat fruits, you get the seeds out of them, wash them, clean, keep them, and wherever you go, push them in the earth. Pour some water on it and leave it to the God. Out of 100, at least if the 25, 30 grow properly, you will be definitely helping the whole humankind. Okay? So I am again reminding you, just simple thing. You will be eating custard apple, that is sitapal. There are so many seeds going through. You are eating whatever fruit or vegetable. If you can collect seeds, do it and throw wherever you can. Okay? That's the better way, a best thing that we can do at our level. Now why I am talking about this? Because I remember this because of one story which I want to tell you today. A story of one man boy, actually. Till the age of 21, he stayed in a small village, very small village, absolutely. Everyone will talk to each other, they will sing together, dance together, chant together, they will go to temple together, they will celebrate many functions and festivals properly. Simple living, simple thinking, everything simple. No restaurants, no faludas, no pizzas, no burgers, nothing. And there was in the nearby, close by city, where he used to attend a college. He passed his exams properly, but that place was so far from his house that he could not spend more time other than the college hours. So he could not smell or get smell of any modern era or modern foods or junk foods or all other things that come associated with it, following it, right? Nothing. He was very naive. He remained like that. And all of a sudden, there was, as you know, there are campus interviews nowadays. Campus interview, and he was selected for USA and a very big job. You know how many people die. They are dying to go to America. स्वर्ग मिल गया ऐसा लगता है उन लोगों को, right? But still, we like to do that. So those who are interested, go. You want to earn money, you can go definitely. Because it depends on us ultimately. That is what is being told by this story. It's contained in this story. There is a boy. His name was Mohan. His name was Mohan. So Mohan was selected. There was a lot of poverty, absolutely, in his household. In the whole village was poor. He was the first person to graduate, and also in engineering, and was selected for USA with job ready. Obviously, visa, passport, everything, no problems, right? Because he was needed by that company. US selects you, provided they need you. They do not accept you if you need them. Keep that in mind. America can never be loyal to anybody. Mr. Kissinger had said, I told you a few days back, Mr. Kissinger made one statement. To take enmity with US, to take enmity with America is dangerous. To take enmity with America, US is dangerous. But to become friendly with America is fatal. That is very true. See, all the countries, those who became friendly with the US, they are doomed. Right? So forget, we are not here to criticize a nation or anything. We are here to listen to the story of a devotee. And Mohan was, because of his parents, was a devotee of Bhagavan Sri Ramachandra. He used to chant Ram Raksha. And that is the only thing he knew, nothing else. But when he left for US, he forgot to carry Ram Raksha book with him. Obviously. In such a short time he had to leave. And he was so much scared of everything. He had not seen even the nearby close small city. He was still going to US. He had come to the Bombay also for the first time. He was so scared of Bombay. What about US? He was thinking. He landed in US and joined his work. Work atmosphere was very good. He met 2-3 Indians also. But the Americans were more helpful to him. He was very happy. But as soon as he got settled, he remembered, I am not reciting Ram Raksha. So he immediately felt bad. And he sat down with folded hands and started chanting Ram Raksha. But somehow he could not remember a single line from Ram Raksha. He said, so many days have passed. How many days? He lost the count of the days. He realized it is not 3 weeks, it is 3 months. 3 months have passed like 3 weeks. Poor thing. About that he was vegetarian. You know how difficult it is to stay pure vegetarian in US. At least nowadays there are many vegetarian restaurants because of vegans and everything. But those days, the story is somewhere of a person who is of my age, born in 1956, 55 like that. So those days in US, no veg restaurants were available at all. No Indian shops were much. And he sat. So he had to cook only rice and buy some tomato or some cucumber and prepare some sort of soup, have rice with it, that's all he could eat. So we are whole day busy, Saturday, Sunday also, washing his own clothes and everything. So he did not get time. So after 3 months, he realized, 3 months I have lost. I not chanted Ram Raksha even once. When he sat down with folded hands to chant, he could not remember a single word. And he felt sad. He started crying. He said, Oh Ram, what is this? What have I done? My mother taught me Ram Raksha. And my father used to sit with me every day and chant Ram Raksha with me in the morning while we performing puja in our house temple. And at night my mother would sit with me and would chant Ram Raksha. Here there is no mother, no father. So I was always thinking, you are here with me. You are my mother as well as you are my father. You are my everything, you are my friend. I am yours and you are mine. But I have forgotten you only. So neither do I have got mother, neither do I have got father, neither do I have got friend, I got any loved one, nobody. I lost everything because I lost you. I forgot you. And that's why I forgot Ram Raksha. That itself is a very good proof. It's very good means very strong proof that I forgot you. I did not remember even once. A good person always blames himself. Bad person always blame others and the situation. He did not blame the situation. He blamed himself. And tears started flowing from his eyes, streaming, a stream of tears. And he did not know what to do. He was just calling Ram, 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 Ram. And he could not sleep that night. That was Sunday night. Morning he had to go for work. He went for his work without sleeping a single second. And whole day he was working. The work went on smoothly. He was worried little because their working systems are very different, very strict. So he worked well. He came home again at night very tired as usual, but this time today more tired. But he did not sleep at all last night. He came home. He could not cook anything. He just drank water and he slept on the floor only. He slept on the floor. He was crying. Next day, again, he slept. That night he slept. Next day he went to the office. And all of a sudden, he was told that your services are no more required. Your job is discontinued. You are discontinued from your job. For a second he felt bad. Then he said, I never asked Ramji. I never asked Bhagavan Ram to send me to America. I never requested US that you should call me here. It has happened on its own. So if the job is gone, it's gone. It is up to Lord Ram. Can it be punishment for my not chanting Ramaksha? The doubt came in his mind. He said, no. My Ram never does something like this. It's for my betterment only that they have thrown me out. So he came home happily. He was given some 21 days or 1 month's notice that he had to leave the nation and go back to India. He became very happy. I'm going back to my homeland. I'm meeting my parents. I'll be meeting my Sri Ram in my village temple. And all of a sudden, a very different energy started flowing in his body. And he started saying, I am chanting, I am dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting. I'm chanting, I'm dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I'm chanting, I'm dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I'm chanting, I'm dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I'm chanting, I'm dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I'm chanting, I'm dancing, Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting, you are protecting, you are protecting. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। बोलो श्री सीताराम की जय। बोलो श्री हनुमान की जय। So he started dancing all of a sudden without knowing anything. It just happened. God's grace just happens. He doesn't have to send a grace, do a grace, make a grace. No. His grace occurs, happens. That grace happened. It showered on him. It filled him completely. He was full with emotions, love, devotion. That is real devotional sentience. Because he did not know any mantra. He had forgotten Ramaksha. But he had his own rhyme, own song. Only 2 lines. But with these 2 lines, how much we got charged. Similarly, that Mohan also got charged. He kept on repeating, he kept on repeating, he kept on chanting, kept on dancing, kept on saying Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram. You are protecting. And ultimately, all of a sudden, he got a phone call. Out of blue, he did not know who will be phoning me up. In his village, no one had a phone. Those days, mobiles were out. They are not in only. So, he said, in my village there is no phone. My mother and father, they never go out of the village. Who will be phoning me up? Picked up the phone. He heard his mother's voice. Mother said, my son, there is a very big and good opportunity in our village. And they want you here in the village. He said, Mother, for what? Mother said, the Ram Mandiram in the village has collected money, collected fund. And they are starting a new engineering college here. And a school also. And you are being appointed as in charge of the development of the school as the engineering college. He said, Mother, what do you want? He said, what Sri Ram wants, I want. He said, Mother, these words which you spoke just now, you have not spoken. I am sure Sri Ramji was speaking through you. I have been already thrown out of my job. I am jobless. I now know for what God allowed me to be jobless. But He wanted me to have a better thing to do, the best thing to do. And he told his mother, will you chant with me, Mother? Mother thought he wants to chant Ram Raksha. So he started Ram Raksha. He was about to start. I am chanting, I am dancing. And he heard, Om Asya Sri Ram Raksha Stotra Mantrasya Buddha Kaushika Rushi Sri Sita Ramachandra Devata Anushtupa Chandaha Sita Shakti Srimad Hanuman Kilakam Sri Ramachandra Prityarthe Jape Vinyoga. And once he heard this, Sri Ramachandra Prityarthe Jape Vinyoga, he started again. I am chanting, I am dancing. Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting. His mother did not understand anything. Only she understood he is speaking English, he is singing in English, but it is about Sri Ram. So when he used to say Sri Ram, she used to also give a chorus to him, Sri Ram. And he went on like this. Within a minute, she picked up. She did not know English, but she picked it, obviously. And she also started chanting with him. Father was standing next to his wife, Miss Mohan's mother. Listening to his wife, Miss Mohan's mother, he also started chanting the same thing. And while they were chanting, there is no bell system in the village. When people from that Mandir Trust came, we are Mr. MLA and Minister, both are there in the village. They want to talk to your son. They are there. Old man and old woman. They do not know whom to welcome. Here is Sri Ram Bhajan going on. They say, we are singing Ram Bhajan. The minister and the MLA also joined them. Both of them were well educated. They don't understand. These Gawar village people, uneducated people, how can they sing in English a bhajan of Sri Ram? They also started singing. After some time, the whole village gathered there. The whole village started chanting the same bhajan. After some time, the pujari of Sri Ram Mandir came. Said, what are you people doing? There is a strange thing happening in the Ram Mandir, in Ram temple. They asked, what happened? Panditji said, Sri Ram Mandir, all of a sudden, is full of sweet fragrance. And the idol of Sri Ram is actually not an idol, but he said idol, so we call it an idol. Ramchandra is showered by lotus flowers. Millions and millions of lotus flowers are coming. And still Sri Ram Mandir, small Ram Mandir, and is not getting full. Everybody ran to see Ramachandra. And that's full of lotus flowers. This Mohan heard this story and he said, Oh Sri Ram, what have you done for me? I have not done anything. I have forgotten you. But you never forgot me. I am coming. It was the first flight that was available for him. He came, and to his wonder, to his surprise, after 3 days also, the lotus which had fallen 3 days prior, in 4 days prior, were very fresh in the temple. Pandit had not removed them from there. He took one lotus, just touched to his forehead, and all of a sudden, You remember the whole Rama Raksha. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Nishacharachamu Ramaya Tasmai Namah Ramanas Ayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyam Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bho Rama Mamuddhara Ram Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Matatulyam Ramanama Varanane. And he realized, this is my place. Not India only, not my village only, but Sri Ramachandra's lotus feet is my real place. Remember, if somebody asks your address, give them your address, physical address. But you should know in your mind, in your heart, your real place is at your God's lotus feet. That is the safest place. What was he singing? Sri Ram, my Lord, you are protecting. She was protected from everything. He came back to serve his nation, to serve his village, to serve uneducated big crowd. So he is forgetting Ram Raksha also, because he was pious, because he was real devotee, because he was real Shraddhaman, became beneficial to him. This is how Swayam Bhagavan works. That's why we can trust him always, without exception. Always, for everything and in everything. He is the one who can be depended upon, totally, grossly and certainly as well. This bhajan which we have sung today, do not forget. Because these two lines are Ram Raksha transformed into a code, which is in English. The coded Ram Raksha, encrypted Ram Raksha in English language. So, whenever you are free, when you are traveling in a bus or a car or a bike, you cannot chant Ram Raksha because you have to concentrate. Chant these two lines easily. Right? Don't replace Ram Raksha with this. Say your Ram Raksha. But at the same time, remember this bhajan because of this bhajan you remember Mohan, who was so pious. He accepted his mistake. He never fought with Sri Ram. Why you did this to me? Why you made me jobless? Because of that, he said thanks. He said Ambadnya to Sri Ram. Because he knew how his God is. I am asking one question. Do you know how your God is? See, I could not get answer. Do you know how your God is? Do you know how your God is? One thing I tell you, my friends, he, the only son of Ma Jagadamba, he is given to the world of Shraddhavans for the service of Shraddhavans. Don't consider as king of the Shraddhavans. Consider as the sevak of Shraddhavans, as a servant of Shraddhavans. Because that is what is my mother's wish is. I always follow her word. I have never ever disobeyed. That is also her grace. Let me tell you. That is her love. And same love I am giving you. Nothing less, nothing more. Love you all. Love you forever. I will be together always. Love you, love you, love you.